biggest challenge in this during this time is we are uh, trying to change our focus, including our target market clients. So from a company focusing on the expat community and because Da Nang is very touristic place and attracts a lot of visitors.
This one I want to move to the next question on this one. This one is about in a starting in the whole startup. When you like, let's focus about MVP right now. In MVP, it's been like 3 years almost in this journey. What was the biggest challenging moment you faced, and how did you overcome it?
I would say obviously because during the current situation, out of 3 years, in the last 2 years we've been in the COVID situation. So when I started MVP, our main clients were expats moving to Da Nang and people opening business in the F&B sector. So that was at the beginning. But then since COVID started and Vietnam closed the border nearly 2 years already, so that was one of the biggest challenges, as most of our clients left the country and no new clients coming to Da Nang. After that, it was the visa situation that the government changed the policies. So that was quite the difficult time for us. However, the biggest challenge during this time is we are trying to change our focus, including our target market clients. So from a company focusing on the expat community and because Da Nang is very touristic place and attracts a lot of businesses. So from that target, now we're moving to investment consulting for local market. So it's quite a major shift from one thing to another. So we're still trying to learn about the Vietnamese market, about the domestic market. We also lately expanding into the hotel M&A sector as well, and the industrial sector. So because those are still part of the market that are doing quite well, and there's a lot of products for sale in Da Nang and Hoi An. And there is people that are looking to invest now because they see the opportunity during this time. So, but it's a lot of things to learn during this time. Try to adapt.
Thank you, Mike. So viewers, here's the point. When there is problems happen, when there is a disruption happens, the Mike's key takeaways, this one is about look for other options. You may need to pivot. The things was working so good, maybe not going to work in the same way too, but holding you back and doing nothing is the worst thing you could do. So better, you can pivot and you can look for other alternatives and you can look for other markets, and even you can look for new product development as well too. So every problem is an opportunity to explore and expand in a different way, just not the same way it was been done before. Thank you, Mike, for sharing the point.